Hi, my name is Drazenka Kimpel, and I'm going to show you a little demonstration in painting denim. I have chosen to paint the blue jeans because of all the accessories made out of denim. I think the blue jeans is the most recognized piece of clothing article there is. As you can see, I have sped up a little bit the process so it wouldn't take forever, and so you can actually follow it. It's pretty easy to follow. One of the important things that you should start with is if you are not comfortable with painting from memory, you should always take a reference pictures and then follow them and look them around. Also, before painting, have a little color palette station up in a corner somewhere, in a secluded corner of your canvas, for easily accessible shades. Start with darker tones and build your dimension with the lighter tones as you go along. Denim is actually a very fun fabric to paint. It is very recognizable not only through its color, but it's also its texture and the way it wears out. I think that people and young people today really enjoy the more worn out look than the basic dark blue that looks brand new. Okay, so I'm drawing in the lines, basic lines and structure of the jeans with the belt loops, the zipper, the pockets, and just basically all the areas where we're going to have a stitching. Anything that's in a darker shade is going to be less worn out, and the lighter we go, it's going to show more wear and tear. So leave those areas for last. It will be a lot of fun. Okay, now that the basic colors are laid in, the darkers and the lighters, I'm going to smooth out some of the brush strokes and use a little blending in the process. You do not want to use the smooth blender by any means, no airbrushing at all. If you have a sable brush or a brush that's a speckled brush that you use for hair painting and such, that brush would be perfect for this type of blending, as it creates a little fibery kind of texture behind, which is perfect for jeans. Just make sure you do not overblend. We do want some of the strokes visible, and because this is a really rough type of fabric, we do not want any smoothness to show through the texture. So at this point, I'm really just highlighting the areas with the lighter and darker colors. And in the process, I'm using just a hard round brush, nothing special, just a basic brush set to variety of different opacities. It's okay, our structure pretty much is done, our background is done. Who says that jeans has to be clean? I've actually heard recently that dirty jeans are much more desirable than the clean jeans, so go figure, you learn something every day. So I've used here to dirty up a jeans a layer set to overlay and used a little bit of orangey yellowish color to dirty up the areas around the pockets and the thigh area, just the more used areas of the jeans. So now all we have left is to apply texture to it. Do not forget, texture is very important when painting any type of fabric. As I'm finalizing this demonstration, I hope it has been helpful to you. If you have any problems or questions, just please drop me an email and I will be able to answer you pretty promptly. Thank you so much for your attention, and I see you around. Bye bye.